Hello, beautiful souls. I'm Peace, and I'm truly grateful to each one of you for joining me today. Taking this moment for yourself is a precious gift, and I am honored to guide you through this meditation. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Whether you're sitting or lying down, allow your body to relax. Gently close your eyes and take a deep, soothing breath. Feel the air filling your lungs, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, visualize a soft, warm light enveloping you. This light represents the serene energy of the soft life you are embracing. With each breath, feel this light calming your mind, relaxing your body, and nurturing your spirit. Now let's focus on the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the stillness within you. If your mind wanders, that's perfectly okay. Acknowledge your thoughts and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. Imagine your worries and stresses melting away with each exhale. You are here, in this moment, safe and peaceful. You are on a journey of self-love and tranquility, and every step you take is towards a life filled with joy and serenity. As we approach the end of our meditation, take a moment to thank yourself. Thank yourself for this act of self-care, for taking the time to connect with your inner peace. Remember, this peacefulness is always within you, ready to be embraced. Gently start to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with me today. I encourage you to share the gift of meditation with the people you love. Together, let's spread peace and positivity on our soft life journey. Namaste.